Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out from ITEM Beauty the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. Oh my gosh, Dexter is so funny. I think as soon as I start talking to the camera, he runs over and is like, oh, I want to be part of this. So let's see if he behaves throughout this video. But so this is a product I got in my February 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is a sample size. It doesn't look too tiny though for a sample size. The full size retails for $14, and that's one thing I like about ITEM Beauty is that it's a pretty affordable, or at least reasonably priced makeup line. And I've been able to try out several ITEM Beauty products now through Ipsy. This is actually Addison Rae's new makeup line. It's cruelty-free, vegan, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, safe for sensitive eyes. It says it's lengthening, flake-free, and smudge-proof. And it's packed with lash-nourishing growth boosters and hydrating conditioners. And then the micro wand and 2% wide lash complex gives lashes 3 times the volume. So all of that sounds really awesome, and I'm really excited to put this mascara to the test. I am very picky with my mascaras, and I try out a lot of mascaras. So we will see how this is. First, let's check out the wand. Oh, I like this. It's more of the silicone spiky wand, but it's very small. Like the bristles are smaller towards the top and then get a little bit longer towards the end. But I feel like this is going to be a great lower lash mascara wand. Here you can see what the wand looks like. All right, I'm going to start out by applying it to just one of my eyes. What I'm noticing right away, and it also could be from the wand as well, but it feels like it's really sticking onto the lashes, and it's a bit of a thicker formula, which I like as long as it doesn't make the lashes clump together. And I'm going to try and comb through the lashes, but I'm worried that this is already making the lashes stick together. They're not staying separated and fanned out. And this is seriously a tiny wand. It's very time consuming to brush all the way through my lashes. And didn't it say that this was clump proof? But I'm actually seeing a lot of clumping in my lashes. Like my lashes are not looking like smooth. Like you can see a lot of visible mascara clumps. I am not liking the look of all that clumpy mascara. See it? But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out on the lower lashes. But yeah, my top lashes are really not looking good. It's doing the same thing on these lower lashes. It's making the lashes stick together. It's looking clumpy and like leaving texture throughout the lashes. This clumpy texture is not really something I've experienced in mascara before. But I am going to go in with another layer and just kind of see what happens as I build it up. Oh, yeah, so if anything, as I build up the mascara, it's looking worse. It's got more clumps happening. The lashes are sticking together, so it's not staying fanned out. It doesn't seem to be volumizing at all. Like, let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see this clumpy texture that I'm talking about. It's very strange and does not look good. I am very surprised. This is not doing anything that the description claimed. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye. And this has kind of been my experience with ITEM Beauty. Some products are so good, and then other products are like so bad, some of the worst I've ever tried. Maybe it'll make me a little bit less excited and less willing to purchase from this brand. Yeah, once again, the lashes are sticking together so much just already from this first coat, and it's looking very clumpy and textured again, and not volumizing, not lifting and curling. And it's not even lengthening either. Some lashes are lengthened, but then the other lashes, it's not coating all the way to the end. So the lashes look super uneven, along with that really crumbly, clumpy texture. It's unlike any other mascara I've ever seen, and not a mascara that I could ever wear. Like, I hate how my lashes are looking right now. Like, this eye is looking even worse. I almost feel like it looks like the mascara is pilling on my lashes. I am shocked because the ratings of this product on the Ipsy app were actually very high. It was like a 4.25, like almost up to 5 stars pretty much. And to me, this mascara is actually unwearable. It looks like I have fuzzies stuck in my lashes. I feel like I'm being so harsh with this mascara, but that's what you can expect from my videos, is for me to be completely honest and to just help guide you on if you should purchase this product or not. And I would definitely not recommend this, but I'm always so curious to hear in the comments down below. Let us know if you have tried this mascara and what your thoughts are on it, because products can work differently for different people. So I definitely am so curious to hear your thoughts on it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.